Hi guys, today I want to share with you Makita 14 Wood Max Cordless Dust Blower. This model, it comes with extra tip nozzle for a wide range of applications. Please like, subscribe and turn on your bell for more videos. The main application for this blower is to blow off works, inflation and deflation of inner tubes, play pools and more, blowing dust away from old equipment or narrow spaces, product maintenance, cleaning air filters of air conditioner and etc. Removal of concrete dust when drilling pilot holes of anchors. One-touch nozzle replacement, LED job light with preglow and afterglow functions, variable speed control by trigger, 4-stage air volume selectable according to your application. Hanging hole enable to hang the machine like a factory air duster. Filter for preventing foreign matter from being sucked in. With 2.5 Ah battery, in mode 4 it can last for 13 minutes, mode 3 17 minutes, mode 2 25 minutes and 50 minutes for mode 1. To use the vacuum function with the hose, just take out the cover and install it.
Ini boleh pasang kepala, pasang kepala dengan pasang ni biasa dengan boleh. Oh. Pasang ni, pasang. Pasang ni. Cái thằng ấy rồi.
Oh, ini kot. Oh.
Ini panjangnya. Ini baru. Paling kuat.
Apa yang kita mau?
Dua. Dua. Satu.